So how do you turn these into these?
Hi y'all, thanks for joining us. We're looking forward to doing more videos after taking some time to do some Draw With Me books and last year's art contest. We're also happy to be teaming up with Bryte Products on a new line of kids crafts, including rock painting kits. Today we're going to design a unicorn, a mermaid, and a butterfly. These will be aimed at beginners, but we'll also suggest a few options tailored for those intermediate or advanced creators. Again, we're happy to have Christie painting with us and our special guest, Ava. So let's dive in.
Clean your rocks with warm water. Be sure to scrub off all the dirt and dust, as paint doesn't stick to these surfaces all too well. Our next step is to paint the rocks a solid color that relates to whatever character you have in mind to produce. We'll be using acrylic water-based paints similar to those available in Bryte Products rock painting kits. Give your rock at least 2 coats of paint if you want it to appear vibrant and opaque. Some colors go on thicker than others, so they may require more layers. As all rocks are shaped differently, choose rocks that complement the type of character or creature you intend to create. To get started, you'll need some additional supplies: water to rinse your brush when switching colors, paper towels to clean up any spills, scissors, a pencil, crayon, or marker to draw your characters.
All right, so first we're going to start with a butterfly. So start with a little circle for its head, right in the middle of your rock there. Good job. And then a little oval right underneath that, like that. And then we'll do kind of an oval, but it kind of comes to a point at the bottom. Is that the thorax? The abdomen? I don't know what you call that on a butterfly. Okay, and then right between these two ovals, we're going to go straight over and then curve up and over and around to meet right there. Good job. And same thing on the other side. Curve up and over and around like that. Good job. Okay, and then we'll do the bottom wings here. So start at that intersection again, but this time go down and then up and around and meet right there. Got it? Awesome. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Butterfly is kind of simple because it's symmetrical. It's the same on both sides. There we go. Good job. And then we'll draw some big circles here on each side. So just draw a circle right in the middle. And another circle right in the middle on the other side. And then little circles on the bottom wings there. 1 and 2. It's kind of hard to draw on a 3D surface, isn't it? You have to kind of move your hand around like that. All right, so hold this in the middle so everybody can see it. And those are our butterflies, and they're sliding around. Awesome, good job.
All right, so I think what we're going to do, let's do the middle first. So we're going to do that purple. You can do yours purple, or you can pick a different color. I'm gonna do mine purple. Okay. And you can leave any of the black marks that you drew on there, or you can cover them up with the paint. Either way works. Whatever you decide to do. So I'm gonna do the whole middle purple. How's it going? Looking good. With these brushes, sometimes you need thicker or thinner brushes depending on what you're doing. Okay, and I'm gonna do my head. Perfect. And sometimes the yellow or your background color will show through. If you don't like that, then you can just do 2 2 coats. Just let it dry and do a second coat. Or you can leave it whatever you want to do. Oh, fantastic. Okay, now we're gonna rinse out our brushes. And then I always have a paper towel so I can wash or wipe my brush off. Perfect.
Rinse it off.
Okay. Now I think I'm gonna do my wings pink. What color do you want to do?
I'll do pink.
All right, perfect. Okay, so we're just gonna start painting our wings. And I like to leave a little bit of the black outline in mine. So I'm gonna just go inside the lines. And if you paint where you're not supposed to on accident, that's all right. We're using acrylic paints, so you can easily let it dry and just paint over it if you don't like it. These paints are really cool because they dry really fast.
So we're doing the top and the bottom?
Yep, so we're gonna do top and bottom wings pink. Unless you want to get creative and go make all of your wings different. I'll let you do whatever. And I'm kind of a slow painter.
Make it look perfect.
I know, I'm a perfectionist. You don't have to be so perfect. Especially when you're painting rocks. You can do whatever you want.
If you don't like it, just put it.
Paint right over it. Exactly. Or you can paint something, then after a while, once you get sick of it and you want to paint something else, then you can just paint over it too. Rocks are awesome. And then we're gonna show this camera over here. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, butterfly is done. So we'll just put those up here. So we have these really cool things called glitter pens. And I think that we should do a little bit of glitter.
Yeah.
Let's see, so we have glitter pens. We have some stickers. I'm gonna get some stickers out. I'll put some stickers over here. And for our antennas, we're gonna use pipe cleaner. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to do first? Should we do the decorating with the jewels or glitter pens, or do you want to do the antenna?
I want to do the glitter pens.
Glitter pens, all right. What color are you gonna pick?
I'm going to do the blue for like the little
Blue, all right.
dots.
Pick which color.
I think this blue.
All right, I'm gonna do, let's see. I'm gonna do purple. I'm gonna do the middle. I'm just gonna put these up here. So feel free to grab glitter pens as you need them.
How do you get
I think you pop them off, maybe. Yeah, when you don't want it to. All right, so you can do a few things with glitter pens. You can, are you doing the circles?
Yeah.
So you can do the inside of the circles. I'm just gonna outline. I'm gonna do a little outline of my butterfly midsection. You can do the whole thing.
I just got a lot on there.
Yeah,
A little 3D butterfly.
she's a little 3D butterfly, I like it. So the one thing you'll have to remember about glitter pens is you can do it really thick, but it's gonna take a long time to dry. The thinner you do it, the faster it will take to dry. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do that.
I kind of want to do the purple. It looks really cool.
I'm gonna do purple. Okay, I'm gonna do some gems, I think. they're beautiful. They're just gonna fly away. Nice and glittery. They're ready for a show.
So here we have our finished rocks, mermaid, unicorn, and butterfly. It's always important to remember that these kits are designed to help you design in your own style and in your own way. So don't get discouraged. Only practice and have fun. Thanks for painting with us, and tune in next time. Also remember to like and subscribe. Cheers.